Hello friends, thank you for coming No Blogger Tableau class. This is Arnab Banerjee. Today we will discuss on the donut chart using multiple measures. How the donut chart can be created for a single measure? It is already discussed in previous video. You can refer. Now we will design the same donut chart in the same way for the multiple measures. Okay, and we have already discussed the donut chart is the combination of two pie chart and how the pie chart is created and already discussed in the previous video, and how the pie chart is created for multiple measures already discussed in the previous video. So now I will go for the donut chart for multiple measures. To create the pie chart, we need to select the pie as the marks, and because of we are created method for multiple measures, so we are selecting the my measure values and dragging it to the angles, and from the dimension section I am dragging the measure names and drag it to the colors and filtering the measure names. The all things are already discussed in the sorry in the previous videos. You can refer those. I will select only profit and quantity and sales. Okay, the things to make it more representable. So my pie chart for multiple measures is created. Now I need to create a donut chart. To donut chart I have the dummy field. Dummy field is nothing but a field is uh, let me see it. It's a field, it's just a calculated field. The 2 is given. You can add any number, you can add here any number, so I am giving here 2 only. It's just to fulfill the rules and regulations to create a calculated field. And I call the dummy again. I will call the dummy again and will make the both dummy as continuous. 2 pie chart is created for multiple measures. For the second measures I will remove the fields from the mark self, and for the first pie I will increase size just little more than the other, and then we'll go to the row cell, select the second dummy and select the dual axis. I will show here the cells. So friends, this is how we can create a donut chart for the multiple measures. Okay, and now you can do suppose the multiple chart segment wise segment. Okay, so this is the all about the donut chart for multiple measures, and over the segment. So thank you for the day.